quick disclaimer, I posted this on January 1st rather than the 31st of December because I was really busy on the 31st. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, let's get right into it. Mom, how much longer do I have to hold this for? We're almost there, we're almost there. We're almost at the beach. Okay, baby Mia, you can go back now. Mom, I can't wait. Yeah, I know. What time is it? Guys, so right now it's 11:30 in the night. Mia is currently sleeping because she could not be staying up this late. And yeah, so we're all dressed up nice and fancy because, I mean, it's New Year, like, and plus it's 2025. And thank you guys so much for this year. Like, this is unbelievable how much you guys have supported me throughout my journey. Yeah, so thank you very much. And oh, we're here. Great, come on kids, let's get out of the car. You guys, it just kicked me out of toca. What the Sigma? Wait, guys, what if the house got deleted? Oh no. I'm literally so scared right now. It took me ages to... Phew! Anyway, the beach. Okay, so we're finally here. Finally I can put this down. And I guess we can take this out and put it right here. Okay, kids, so we could just start to sit down and like settle in. Whoa, look, it's a beach. Yeah, wait for me. Oh wait, look, there's like a little thing over there. Let's see if I can jump to it. Yes, I got on it. Hey, I want to try. I'll go a bit in the water and jump. Hey, splash water on me. Sorry. Ah! Ooh. Wait. Should we go shell collecting? Yeah. I'm gonna get this bucket back. Oh. I'm gonna get this bucket back here with the spade. Come on. Oh, hey. Let's get this one. Oh, look at this one. Yeah. I like this one too. And this one's good too. Okay, so it was a few minutes later. Kids were collecting shells and it's about to happen. I'm gonna go put the fireworks in for after. Okay, and let's start handing out these. Yep. I can't believe we've reached 2025. 2024 is almost over. Ooh, look at these. Hey, I want one. Mom, I want one. You can take mine because I don't really like them that much. They're pretty annoying for me. Yay! Okay, guys, come on, let's all relax. You guys, it's 11:58. Come on, guys, we have to get to the thing. Coming. Everyone, get on. Oops. Okay, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Woohoo! It's finally 2025. Yay! Happy New Year, guys! Woohoo! This is amazing. I know. Wow, guys, I am so happy that I can spend this I can spend this New Year's with you guys. And yeah, so thank you so much. Yay! I can't believe, oh my, you guys, sorry about all the distractions. I don't know what's going on, my brother's going crazy. So yeah, just ignore me. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. It's really short, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and Happy New Year! Bye! Oops. I'm not meant to show you guys that room. Bye! 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 That was unexpected, but bye!